Symbols of elements. First credit goes to Dalton. He was the first scientist who used the symbols for the elements. He used some circles, like carbon के लिए he used a circle, black hand. Hydrogen के लिए a circle with a dot. Gold के लिए a circle with a gold. Carbon, a phosphorus, a circle with a P, etc. But as the number of elements increases, he was unable to give more symbols. At that time, J.J. Berzelius has developed new method to give the symbols. He used names of English, Latin, their place or the color. Like hydrogen, if you find the hydrogen के लिए उन्होंने सिर्फ H का यूज किया. बट नेक्स्ट हीलियम आ गया, देन फर्स्ट कैपिटल ये भी एस से स्टार्ट होता है, तो दूसरा वर्ड उन्होंने और उसके साथ में स्मॉल लेटर से यूज कर लिया. कॉपर सी से नहीं स्टार्ट किया. कॉपर कहां से मिला? साइप्रस में मिला, सो ही हैज यूज वर्ड Cu. कार्बन C. Sodium, its Latin name is natrium, so इसलिए इसका नाम इट्स अ Na, क्योंकि इसके पहले लाइटर एलिमेंट नाइट्रोजन फाइंड हो गया था. सो नाइट्रोजन बाय N. ऑक्सीजन बाय O. Silver, again from the Latin name, that is the argentum. So its symbol is Ag. Like gold, iron, ferrum. These are the symbols given by the Berzelius, and it is approved by IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. They had approved this, and we all are following these symbols, those were given by the Berzelius. Structure of atom, it was given by Ernest Rutherford, and he has stated कि atom मोस्टली स्फेरिकल है, इसके बीच में न्यूक्लियस है, and it is made by 3 particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. He stated कि yes, proton पॉजिटिव पार्टिकल न्यूक्लियस के अंदर है, neutron neutral particle is also there, whereas electron, which is a negative part, it revolves around the nucleus. Outside that, then other scientists, they have given this, the how much electrons are there in a shell, the number of electrons, how they are revolving, and these scientists are Niels Bohr and the Barry-Charles. They also have given the principle, that is the distribution of electrons, also known as the Aufbau principle. So we should be aware at least first 20 elements के बारे में, उनमें कितने प्रोटॉन हैं, उनमें कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं, उनमें कितने न्यूट्रॉन हैं, और प्रोटॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन, न्यूट्रॉन किस तरीके से उनकी ऑर्बिट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हैं. दिस वी हैव शुड बी अवेयर. इन द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ 9th स्टैंडर्ड सीबीएसई बुक में एक पूरी टेबल दी हुई है चैप्टर 4 में. सो हियर आई हैव रिटन फ्यू एलिमेंट्स, देयर electrons and protons present there. First element, number 1 element, hydrogen. Symbol is H. It is, proton number is 1, electron is 1. इसमें सिर्फ एक ही शेल है, the K shell, number 1 shell, where only 1 electron is there, and its valency is 1. I will tell you what's the valency later. Okay, you should aware here. Then next, helium. Electron 2, proton 2. फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है? सिर्फ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. नेक्स्ट ऑर्बिट में कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं है एंड इट्स वैलेंसी इज 0. कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी. नेक्स्ट इज लिथियम. प्रोटॉन नंबर 3, इलेक्ट्रॉन 3. First orbit contains 2 electrons, K shell has 2 electrons, and second orbit, L shell has only 1 electron, and its valency is 1. Next is beryllium. Atomic number 4, proton number 4, electron number 4. First orbit contains 2, second orbit contains 2 electrons, and its valency is 2. Next element is boron. Atomic number 5, proton 5, electron 5. In the K shell, first shell contains 2 electrons and the next shell contains 3 electrons. Atomic number valency is 3. Next element is carbon. Atomic number 6, proton number 6, electron number 6. First cell contains 2 electrons, next cell contains 4 electrons and its valency is 4. After that, nitrogen is there. Atomic number 7, proton number is 7, electron is 7. In the first cell only 2 electrons and second shell contains 5 electrons. Its valency is 3. Next element is oxygen. Atomic number 8, proton 8, electron 8, first orbit 2 electrons, next orbit 6 electrons, and its valency is 2. Now I am telling here what's the valency here. Valency is a combining capacity. It means outermost orbit में कितने electrons हो सकते हैं, कितने combine कर सकते हैं. Outermost orbit contains maximum number of 8 electrons here. So first orbit में 2 electron full हो गए, सेकेंड ऑर्बिट में 8 होने चाहिए. अब 8 होने के लिए आइदर लूजेस और गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. इन केस 1 8 करने के लिए आइदर इट नीड्स व्हाट 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. इट नीड्स 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू गेट द 8, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन जब आएंगे तो एनर्जी भी देनी पड़ेगी. सो इट इज अ बेटर टू लूज दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड व्हेन लूजिंग 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट मीन्स इट्स वैलेंसी बिकम्स 1. सेम वे इट ऑल्सो लूजेस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स instead of gaining 6 electrons. So its valency becomes 2. Octet करने के लिए either it should lose the 3 electrons or gain the 5 electrons. It is a better lose 3 electrons instead of gaining the 5 electrons, क्योंकि 5 electrons लेने में ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए होगी. So it loses 3 electrons, so its valency becomes 3. In case of carbon, neither loses neither gains, so its valency is 4. And what about here? Nitrogen. In the outermost orbit 5 electrons are there. To get the octet state 8 electrons, it is better to gain 3 electron instead of losing 5 electrons. So 3 electron gain करता है, the valency becomes 3. Same way oxygen, outermost में 6 electrons है, it gains 2 electrons, takes 2 electrons from others, so its valency becomes 2. Next element, fluorine. Atomic number 9, number of proton 9, electron 9, K shell 2 electron, L shell 7 electron, valency 7. That means it gains only 1 electron to fulfill the outermost orbit. It does not lose 7 electrons, it gains only 1 electrons. Neon, atomic number 10, proton 10, electron 10, first orbit 2 electrons, next orbit 8 electrons. Valency 0. Why? Because इसकी outermost orbit क्या है? Fulfill, octet है, 8 electron है. Sodium, atomic number 11, proton 11, electron 11. First orbit में 2 electron, second orbit में 8 electrons and third 1 electron. यहाँ पे third start हो गई 1 electrons. So it easily loses 1 electron. Valency is 1. Similarly, magnesium 12, 12, 2, 8, 2. Outermost में 2 electrons. Valency becomes 2. Aluminium, atomic number 13, proton 13, electron 13. First orbit 2 electrons, next orbit 8 electrons, and third orbit 3 electrons. So valency becomes 3 because it easily loses 3 electrons instead of getting 5 electrons to fulfill the 8, to become the octet. Silicon, atomic number 14, proton 14, electron 14. So yes, first orbit 2 electrons, next orbit 8 electrons, and the third one is 4 electrons. So valency becomes 4. Phosphorus, 15 proton, 15 electron, first orbit 2 electrons, next orbit 8 electrons, third orbit 5 electrons. So instead of losing 5 electrons, it gains 3 electrons to fulfill the 8. So its valence becomes 8. Same sulfur, 16, 16, 2, 8, 6, valency 2. Chlorine here, atomic number 17, proton 17, electron 17, outermost orbit contains 7 electrons, 2, 8, 7. Tendency to get 1 electron. So valency becomes 1. Similarly, argon is here, outermost orbit contains 8 electrons, 18 proton, 18 electrons, 2, 8, 8. Outermost में 8 electrons हैं. That means it neither loses nor gains. So its valency becomes 0. Next is potassium, atomic number 19, proton 19, electron 19, distribution 2, then next orbit 8, next orbit 8, 18 और 1. तो यहाँ पे fourth orbit में भी electron चला गया. So it has tendency to lose 1 electron. That's why its valency becomes 1. Our next element is calcium, atomic number 20, proton 20, electron 20. Outermost orbit में 2 electrons, like first orbit में 2 जाएगा, next में 8, फिर 8 और उसके बाद 2 चला जाएगा. So outermost orbit में 2 electrons हैं, it has tendency to lose 2 electrons, so its valency becomes 2. So here I have shown you how the electrons are distributed in the periodic table. I have shown you first 20 elements, how they have distributed, what is their valency, etc.